Top 20 Data Analytics Projects for Students to Practice in 2024. Big Data Analytics Projects for Students with Source Code in 2024. Interesting data analytics projects for grad students to try out in Hadoop, Spark, Python, R. We are living in the age of data where the rate at which data is being generated is only increasing day by day. But this data will be of no use if it is not leveraged properly. With data analytics techniques, you can gain deeper insights from the data and use them for business growth. In this blog, you will explore a list of big data analytics projects that solve real-world problems in different industries. Table of Contents. Why should students work on big data analytics projects? 20 data analytics projects for students. Big data projects in business analytics. Big data analytics projects with Apache Spark. Take your big data analytics skills to next level with Project Pro. FAQs on data analysis projects. Why should students work on big data analytics projects? A good way to start preparing so that you can build up your resume and start applying for data analytics jobs is with some hands-on experience. That means actually working on data analytics projects. Here are a few reasons why you should work on data analytics projects. Data analytics projects for grad students can help them learn big data analysis by doing instead of just gaining theoretical knowledge. Data analytics projects for practice help one identify their strengths and weaknesses with various big data tools and technologies. You may feel that you are better able to understand and grasp some projects or some parts of a project more than others. Exploring various big data projects gives a better idea of where your interests lie while working with different analytics tools. It helps to build a job-winning data analytics portfolio and sets you apart from other candidates while applying for a job. Hands-on experience with projects on data analytics can build up your practical analytical skill set that is a must-have when applying for analytic job roles. Working on advanced projects boosts your confidence with respect to working in the field of data analytics and gives you a sense of accomplishment once you manage to complete a certain project. Must-have skills for implementing data analysis projects. With love for data and passion for number crunching, anyone can reap the rewards of a successful career in big data analysis, be it students, professionals from other industries, or developers looking forward to making a career transition into data science and analytics. Students need not necessarily have a computer science or a math background to land a top big data job role. A perfect blend of technical and soft skills like excellent communication skills, storytelling, a keen attention to detail and a good ability to make logical and mathematical decisions will take you a long way in your big data analysis career. Here is the list of key technical skills required for big data analyst job roles, which can also be acquired by students or professionals from a non-technical background. SQL, structured query language, is required to query structured data present in databases. A data analytics professional is required to constantly access data, either retrieve data from where it is stored or update it when required. Even data that has to be filtered will have to be stored in an updated location. Programming languages like R and Python and R are two of the most popular analytics programming languages used for data analytics. Python and R provide many libraries, making it convenient to process and manipulate data. A good command over one or more programming languages would not only increase the chances of getting a data analytics job, but would also help you negotiate for a better data analyst salary. Data visualization skills. Data visualization is the ability to present one's findings through charts, graphs, or other visual layouts. To present the insights in a comprehensible and visually appealing format, visualization skills are vital for any kind of a data analytics job role. Data cleaning. To improve the data quality and filter the noisy, inaccurate, and irrelevant data for analysis, data cleaning is a key skill needed for all analytics job roles. Microsoft Excel. A successful Excel spreadsheet helps to organize raw data into a more readable format. With more complex data, Excel allows customization of fields and functions that can make calculations based on the data in the Excel spreadsheet. Machine learning and natural language processing skills. Processing of the data may require the application of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques. 20 data analytics projects for students. Here is a list of 20 big data analysis projects that you can start working on to build up your data analytics skill set. These big data analytics projects for grad students are categorized based on some key skills required for data analytics job roles. Big data analytics projects for final year students in Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages for data science. Python provides several frameworks such as NumPy and SciPy for data analytics. Some amount of experience working on Python projects can be very helpful to build up data analytics skills. If you are looking for data analytics project ideas for students that use Python programming language for data processing and predictive analytics, then you must check out this section. 1. Market basket analysis. Market basket analysis is essentially a data mining technique that data scientists use to better understand customers and correspondingly increase sales. Here, purchasing patterns are observed in customers to identify various combinations of products that are purchased together. The idea here is that if a customer purchases a particular item or a group of items, let's call it product, then this increases the likelihood that the customer is also interested in buying another item or group of items, product B, implying that interest in A could mean an interest in B as well. Market basket analysis can be beneficial to increase sales by aiding targeted promotions, recommendations, and cross-selling. In fact, even menus can be written keeping in mind the patterns noticed from market basket analysis. In grocery stores, the aisles and goods can be arranged taking into account items that are frequently bought together. An approach to performing customer market basket analysis can be done using a priori and FP growth data mining algorithms. Access solution to market basket analysis using a priori and FP growth algorithms. 2. Reducing manufacturing failures. Product-based companies have the task of ensuring that their products are top of the notch. In order to do this, the components of these products and the final products have to be thoroughly tested for the possibility of defects and to ensure optimum performance. Testing is a very complex process which costs a company a fair amount of time, energy, and money. It is such a vital process because companies cannot afford to compromise on product quality. However, by applying analytics to the various parts of the manufacturing process, we can aim to reduce the time and cost required for testing while ensuring that the product quality still remains up to the mark. By using the production line dataset, the goal of this data analytics Python project is to predict internal failures by making use of data that contains information on tests and measurements obtained for each component. By identifying patterns from previous test scenarios, test cases going forward can be optimized. Access solution to the data analytics project for students in Python to optimize the production line performance for Bosch. 3. Topic modeling using k-means clustering. Topic modeling is a text mining technique that is used to determine the context of a document in a few words, or in other words, to find the topics covered in a particular document. Topic modeling is used to identify hidden semantic patterns in a body of text and use it for better decision-making. Topic modeling finds applications in organization of large blocks of textual data, information retrieval from unstructured data, and for data clustering. For e-commerce websites, topic modeling can be used to group customer reviews and identify common issues faced by consumers. Topic modeling can also be used to classify large datasets of emails. This data analytics project aims to use k-means clustering, an unsupervised learning technique that can be used in the case of topic modeling to organize several bodies of text into groups based on the topic discussed in the body of the text. Access solution to text modeling using k-means clustering. Big data analyst projects in business analytics. If you are looking for financial data analytics projects for final year students, this section will be helpful as it contains big data analytics projects examples related to business analytics. 4. Insurance pricing forecast. Insurance comes in many forms: motor, property, travel, health, to name a few. Insurance companies collect small amounts of money, known as premium, from an individual or from an organization over regular intervals of time and use this money to pay for the individual or organization for any financial loss which is covered by the insurance. Insurance companies have to decide the amount of premium to charge their investors in such a manner to ensure that they are not in a loss when a financial amount has to be paid to the insured person. In the case of health insurance, the insurance company has to spend a lot of time and effort in evaluating healthcare costs and using that to determine the premium that they have to charge. Similarly, insurance companies in other sectors too have to closely monitor the costs which they have promised to cover. Alternately, if insurance companies end up overpricing the amount they charge their investors, then it is only natural that these investors will prefer to be insured by their competitors. Forecasting insurance pricing. One of the topics for data analysis project solutions that uses regression analysis to determine the optimal rates for insurance premiums. Access solution to insurance pricing forecast. Learn more about big data tools and technologies with innovative and exciting big data projects examples. 5. City employee salary data analysis. One of the best ways to understand a city and how it works is to analyze the salaries of the various employees residing in the city. Such data gives an evaluation criteria for the government as well to understand how the citizens are compensated. A closer look at employees and their salaries shows the kind of jobs that are in demand, the kind of jobs which offer the highest packages and can help give job aspirants an idea of which fields have more to offer in terms of monetary benefits. An analysis of the salaries of employees in a city also gives an idea of how demographics within the city affects job positions and incomes. Visualization of the salaries of employees in a city can be done using a scatter plot to understand the spread. Grouping of different columns and plotting density plots will give a more distinct idea of the distribution. Box plot and whisker plot can be used to visualize the outliers. Quantile plots can be used to check the normality of the data in this one of the most practical data analyst projects. Access solution to analysis of San Francisco's employees' salaries. Big data analysis projects with source code in R. Like Python, R2 is a very popular programming language when working on a data analyst project. It provides multiple tools to make it easier to work with data analysis and is highly attractive in the data analytics job market. Also, if you are looking for data analytics project ideas for students using R, this section will prove to be extremely relevant. 6. Churn prediction in telecom. The success of businesses is dependent on new customers, but it is extremely important to retain existing customers to cut down on the customer acquisition cost. For a company, customer churn occurs when a customer decides to stop using the products or services offered by a company. Like other industries, the telecom industry too requires that existing customers continue their relationship with the company. Customer churn in the telecom industry can be caused due to various reasons including call drops, network unavailability, service quality, lower rates from competitors. By analyzing the data from the customers, the probability of customer churn for individual customers can be calculated. A close look at the findings from this analysis can give telecom companies a warning sign as to the areas that need improvement to improve customer satisfaction. This can help telecom companies serve their customers in a better manner and as a result reduce the customer churn and improve profitability. Machine learning techniques can be applied to perform customer churn prediction. 7. Predicting wine preferences of customers using wine dataset. According to Research and Markets, the wine industry was valued at $157.6 billion in 2018 and is estimated to reach $201.2 billion in 2025. Wine tasting, too, is a very popular hobby among many adults. Wine is known to have several health benefits as it contains antioxidants. But, like most other products, customers would naturally prefer to have wine that is of superior quality. Wine is placed into different categories based on smell, flavor, and taste. Furthermore, there are various factors that affect the quality of wine. A careful analysis of the dataset along with the various factors associated with each wine reveals some repeated patterns that can be associated with higher quality wines. This can be beneficial to companies manufacturing wine to ensure that they maintain top-notch quality of wine and keep their customers content. Analysis of the factors that affect wine quality will involve data mining, where raw data will be transformed from one format to another. The application of various plotting techniques and machine learning algorithms will help to identify some factors that influence wine quality. Access solution to assessing quality of red wine. 8. Identifying product bundles from sales data. Similar to the market basket analysis approach, the goal of this data analytics project using R is to identify products that are frequently purchased together by customers. Accordingly, these bundles can be sold together or placed together as a marketing strategy. Time series clustering machine learning models can be used to identify product bundles. Time series clustering is a data mining technique which involves grouping of data points based on certain similarities. Observing several customers who purchase certain items together and finding similarities in these patterns using predictive analysis methods can help stores reach targeted audiences with the right kind of promotion strategies. Access solution to identifying product bundles from sales data. 9. Movie review sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis involves classifying a remark as positive, negative, or neutral. Broader classifications can also be done, such as strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. By analyzing reviews written by individuals who have watched a particular movie, it is possible to get better movie recommendations. With the popularity of social media, it is very easy to express one's sentiments towards a particular movie. There are many repercussions to these reviews that are expressed. Sentiment analysis of the reviews can be used to identify interest patterns in the audience, which can accordingly be used to generate recommendations. The use of sarcasm, ambiguity in language use, negations, and multipolarity add to the challenges associated with categorizing the reviews based on sentiments. Through this project, it will be possible to understand more about the concept of speech tagging, the difference between stemming and lemmatization, and applications of sparse matrices. Application of naive Bayes model and SVM, support vector machine, can be used for the training model and accordingly making predictions. Access solution to movie review sentiment analysis. 10. Store sales forecasting. Sales for a certain product vary based on several factors. Some of these factors include seasonality, locality, reduced competition, advertisements, and promotions. For good inventory management, it is very important for a store to have a predicted estimate on sales for various products on sale. Using machine learning, it is possible to find patterns which affect the sales in a particular store from the past data. This past data will be used to train the model. Once the patterns are identified, a store can get a better understanding of which of its products are in demand. This allows for better inventory management, wherein the store can ensure that the demands of its customers can be met by stocking up with sufficient products to meet the needs while at the same time not overstocking, so that wastage is minimized and profits are maximized. For seasons when the sales are expected to be higher, a store can hire more staff to cater to these demands. Sales forecasting also helps in giving a better idea of a store's growth. Here is an example of sales forecasting for Walmart stores. Big data analytics projects using Hadoop. Working on intermediate big data projects is an excellent way to gain a better understanding of the popular big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, Kylin, and others. These projects on big data analysis will help you master fundamental big data skills in Hadoop and other related big data technologies. These Hadoop projects for practice will let you learn about the various components of the Hadoop ecosystem and will also help you gain more insight on how these Hadoop components can be integrated with other big data tools in the real world. Check out top SQL projects to have on your portfolio.